Jai Srimanarayana. 33rd sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yadha prakasayati ekaha kritsnam lokam imam ravihi kshetram kshetri tadha kritsnam prakasayati bharata. Om. Realize that and always remember that you are the one who is illuminating your body with your wisdom, and constantly remember the fact that you are not the body, you are different from the body. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall realize that I am the one who is illuminating my body with my own wisdom. I shall also always remember that I am the personification of Jnanam and I am totally different from this body. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, Paramatma is existing in all the souls, but according to their own deeds, Paramatma will be expressing through those souls to this entire universe. And also, those who does Archamurti Aradhana, if they hate all other living beings, they will never be blessed by Paramatma. In order to have mutual respect and love and affection, this Vigraha Aradhana is the main route for all that. Ho Dharmaja, Nanvasya Brahmana Rajan Krishnasya Jagadatmanaha Punantaha Padarajasa Trilokim Daivatam Mahat. Brahmanas will be going all over the world and will be spreading the great glorious activities of Sriman Narayana, Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is why they should be respected by all three worlds. Even with their dust from their feet, they will be able to purify all the worlds. And in the Brahmanas, some of them are Karmanishtas, some of them Taponishtas, some of them Pravachananishtas. In the Shraddha Karmas, in ancestral prayers, we should worship Brahmanas, those who have Jnanam. And even in the Daiva Karyas also, we have to be feeding Brahmanas. For Daiva Karyam, 2 Brahmanas. For Pitru Karyam, 3 Brahmanas should be worshipped. Or at least 1 Brahmana should be worshipped. Even if he is so wealthy, in the Pitru Karyas, Shraddha Karmas, one should not be inviting so many Brahmanas. One should not be feeding so many Brahmanas. One should not be inviting so many relatives also. And all the people should be performing Pitru Karyas, Daiva Karyas with all of their attention. One should not be using any meat in Shraddha Karmas, Pitru Karyas. One should have compassion towards all living beings. Whatever that it is given to them by Paramatma, with that they should be feeding Devatas, Pitru Devatas, humans and all other living beings. Like that, Grahastha should be leading their life. Like that, Narada Maharshi teaching Dharmaraju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 33rd sloka. Yadha prakasayatyekaha kritsnam lokam imam ravihi. Kshetram kshetri tadha kritsnam prakasayati bharata. Yadha prakasayatyekaha kritsnam lokam imam ravihi. Kshetram kshetri tadha kritsnam prakasayati bharata. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.